In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to a folder in Gmail using filters, so your inbox stays organized without you constantly sorting things manually. To start, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to organize. You'll be working from the main inbox view. The idea here is to set up a rule so that when certain types of emails arrive, Gmail will automatically label and file them, instead of leaving everything piled up in your primary inbox. First, find an email that you want to automatically move in the future. This might be a newsletter, a receipt, a notification from a specific service, or messages from a particular person. Open that email so you can see the sender, the subject line, and the content. Using a real example like this makes it easier to build an accurate filter. Next, look for the 3 vertical dots near the top of the email, usually to the right of the reply button. Click those dots to open a small menu, and then choose the option that says, Filter messages like this. Gmail will open a filter form, and it will usually pre-fill the From field with the sender's email address. This means that any future messages from this sender can be caught by the filter. Take a moment to adjust the filter criteria if you need to. For example, you can narrow it down by subject keywords, or only filter emails that contain certain words. This helps if you only want some messages from that sender to move automatically, not all of them. When you're happy with the criteria, click on Create Filter at the bottom of that window. Now you'll see a list of actions Gmail can perform when a matching email arrives. To move it to a folder, first choose Apply the label, and either pick an existing label or create a new one. Labels in Gmail act like folders, so this is where the email will live. If you want these emails out of your main inbox, also check Skip the Inbox, archive it. That way, they go straight into the label and don't clutter your primary view. Before finishing, you can optionally check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations, so that existing emails that meet your criteria are moved as well. When everything looks right, click Create Filter ici. From now on, Gmail will automatically sort incoming messages that match your filter, keeping your inbox cleaner and making it easier to find what you need.